You open it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I opened it.
What's in
That
there?
one's hard to open.
Let's see. What's in there? Cars? What kind of
Whoa.
cars? Trucks?
Police cars.
Oh, peace car.
Oh my
Yeah.
goodness.
Car.
Police car.
Wow.
Whoa.
Wow.
Here, do you want to get your bucket and go find more? Or do you want to look at your basket? Come look at your basket. Come look at your basket.
Car.
Oh my goodness.
My God.
Oh my goodness is right. What do you have? Chalk and a book? Toy Story? Buzz Lightyear? Oh, what are those? Blue chickies. Blue chickies.
Cars. Cars go.
Oh, you want more cars? Let's keep looking. Let's
Here, you
see.
want to take your bucket?
Here,
and go
take your
find some
bucket.
eggs?
Go find some eggs. Go pick them up. What's in here? Here, look in here. What's in here? What's in that one? Oh my goodness.
It's a SWAT vehicle.
Whoa. Did you get a cup? 2 cups. Look at those cups. Aren't they cute?
Ooh.
It's a bunny cup.
Yeah.
You want to fill it up?
We can fill it up. Let's open our other stuff first, and then I'll put something in here for you, okay?
Let's see. Oh, that's a silly cup. Look at that. The straw goes all the way around. Is that a silly cup? What else do you see? Oh, what are those? Oh, does it say bubbles?
Ooh, those are bunny bubbles.
Bunny bubbles. Bunny bubbles. We can do those outside. Bunny bubbles. What else? What else? Oh,
Van, yeah.
van. What else do you see? Oh, a t-shirt. What's on the t-shirt?
See what's on it.
What's on there?
What's on here?
Oh, is that a monster truck?
Monster truck.
Monster truck. Oh, what is that? It's a concrete mixer, huh? Yeah. And lots of grass,
Lots
yeah.
of grass.
What's this? What's this right here? What's this, Henry? What is that?
Hey, Henry, watch this.
What does that do? Cheep, 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 cheep. It's a
Watch.
chickie.
Hey, Henry. Watch.
Do you try it? Can you try it?
Worse in the grass.
What are these? Cups for the bathtub, it looks like. Look at those. Oh, that's a football. What is a bunny candy? Yeah, lots of cups. Look at those for the bathtub.
Monkey, yeah.
Monkey cup. A lion cup, maybe? I don't know.
Or grass.
What else do you see?
Yeah,
Whoa.
you're making a mess.
You make a mess.
Oh, Harry!
That's Henry's, yeah. Whoa,
Making a big
silly
mess.
boy.
What else is in your basket, buddy?
Good.
Oh. What else is in there? Oh, do you see the bunny? Oh, look at those. What is that?
I open.
Is that chocolate? Chocolate? Oh, do you want to over? Do you want chocolate?
Okay.
Hold on. We got to go find the eggs, honey. Let's go find eggs.